In this video, we will explore the power of positive affirmations, inspired by Stephen Guise's book, Many Habits. Positive affirmations are incredible tools for reinforcing a positive mindset and behavior. By repeating them, they can help us internalize key concepts and motivate us to make significant changes in our lives. In Many Habits, Guise highlights how small daily actions can lead to significant transformations. Inspired by his approach, these affirmations are designed to strengthen our resolve and help us develop sustainable and effective habits, thereby improving our daily lives. Let's get started. Every small step I take brings me closer to my goals. I feel powerful and capable with each mini habit I complete. I enjoy daily progress on my journey to change. Many habits are my key to sustainable success. I celebrate every small victory in my life. I have total control over my personal growth. Every day, my many habits build my desired future. I find joy in small and consistent actions. I am patient and persistent in my efforts. Every mini habit reinforces my confidence and determination. I easily adapt and overcome challenges. I am committed to my daily personal development. My small actions today are the pillars of my future success. Many habits make me stronger and more resilient. I am creating positive change in my life, one small step at a time. My brain adapts and grows with each new habit I form. I recognize and celebrate the incredible ability of my mind to learn and change. Each repeated action strengthens my healthy habits. I am capable of molding my brain for success through positive habits. My thoughts and daily actions support my brain's growth. I trust in the power of my brain to develop beneficial habits. With each repetition, my positive habits become stronger. I marvel at how my brain adapts and improves with constant practice. I am committed to training my brain for success. Every healthy habit I form is a gift to my brain. My mind is a fertile field for positive change. I choose thoughts and actions that nourish my mental well-being. Neuroplasticity is my ally in forming healthy habits. My brain and I are a team on the path to success. I appreciate and utilize my brain's amazing ability to adapt and grow. My willpower is strong even when my motivation fluctuates. I choose positive actions regardless of how I feel. I trust in my willpower to maintain my habits. My discipline is more powerful than my temporary moods. Each small action strengthens my inner resolve. Consistency in my habits makes me mentally stronger. I accept emotional ups and downs but move forward with determination. I find satisfaction in following my plans, despite the challenges. My many habits are stronger than any excuse. I transform my life with small actions, regardless of how I feel. My will guides me through moments of doubt or laziness. I choose to progress every day, motivated or not. My commitment to many habits is unbreakable. I am greater than my temporary resistances. Willpower is my most reliable tool for personal change. My many habit strategies align perfectly with my goals. Every mini habit I choose brings me closer to my best self. I plan my actions with clarity and purpose. I adapt and adjust my strategies for continual success. My planning is as flexible as it is effective. Every step in my strategy is a step towards success. My many habits are carefully selected for maximum impact. I am an expert strategist in my personal change journey. Every day, my careful planning pays off. I celebrate the effectiveness of my strategies. My focus on many habits is my secret to success. Every strategy I apply leads to positive outcomes. My plans are the map to my goals. I adjust my strategies to stay on the right path. I am proactive in designing my life through many habits. Every mini habit I choose is a powerful step toward change. I value and celebrate the unique impact of my small actions. My many habits set me apart and define me. I find strength and purpose in the smallest actions. Every day, my many habits bring me closer to greatness. I am a living example of how small actions create significant changes. My daily successes testify to the power of many habits. I choose many habits that transform my life positively. Every small action is a giant step in my journey. Many habits are my secret weapon for personal success. My actions, though small, have a significant impact. Through my many habits, I discover my unlimited potential. Every mini habit leads me to a brighter future. I find joy and satisfaction in my daily routines. My many habits reflect my commitment to growth. I celebrate every small habit, knowing it's a step towards self-control. I feel empowered when I resist temptation, showing my inner strength. Every day, I commit to taking small actions and building my success. I find joy in every step toward my goal. With each small habit, I prove I can overcome my limits. I value consistency and repetition in my habits. Every small habit is a major advance in my journey. My many habits teach me the importance of patience and persistence. I celebrate the transformation each small habit brings to my life. With each step, I'm closer to my goals and dreams. I see positive change in my life with every mini habit. I'm motivated by each small achievement in my daily practice. My daily habits are the key to unlocking my potential. With every small step, I become stronger and more resilient. My many habits are my tools for change and personal growth. I commit to practicing many habits every day, following the rule of smallness. With each mini habit, I celebrate my ability to take control of my actions. I appreciate the rule of being effective and applying it to improve each day. I see every mini habit as an important step towards my personal development. The rule of repetition helps me strengthen and maintain my habits. I use the rule of ease to make my habits manageable and sustainable. Every small action reflects my commitment to continuous growth. I find motivation in the rule of being well-directed towards my goals. The rule of consistency guides me to maintain my habits over time. I embrace the rule of variety to keep my habits fresh and stimulating. I use the rule of improvement to constantly evolve. The rule of sustainability ensures that my habits are lasting. I appreciate the rule of adaptability to adjust my habits as needed. The rule of sequence helps me effectively organize my habits. With each mini habit, I apply the rule of commitment to ensure my success. You've just immersed yourself in the power of positive affirmations inspired by mini habits. Regularly listening to these affirmations, ideally several times a day, can be a game changer in your life. Doing so, you'll internalize the book's fundamental principles and empower yourself to implement significant changes in your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to our channel. By expressing your gratitude in this way, you support us and also open doors to more blessings and prosperity in your life. Additionally, if you wish to enjoy this content in other languages, including Spanish, you can find the links in the description. It's a great opportunity to reinforce positive messages while learning or practicing a new language. Remember, our channel offers a series of high-quality videos, from 5-minute express summaries of the best books for growth and motivation, to extended summaries with practical resources to apply what you've learned. And of course, videos like this one, with positive affirmations reflecting the pure essence of the book. We invite you to explore the entire series to further enrich your understanding and apply these insights in your life. Finally, we encourage you to acquire mini habits in your preferred format, physical, digital, or audiobook. You'll find the links in the video description. By purchasing the book, you not only deepen your understanding of its content, but also support the author and their work. Thank you for watching and being a part of our community. Your growth and success are our greatest inspiration.